Implementation of EHR. The purpose of this project was to plan the implementation of an electronic health record from the work breakdown of various tasks. Training can only be completed on a system if the system is configured. Therefore, a schedule had to be completed prior to the implementation. By using an EHR system, patient and employee satisfaction will increase due to increased safety and improved outcomes. Not only will workflow improve, but all full participation of the organization will be encouraged to ensure success. The use of IT utilizes core principles from evidence-based medicine and has shown wonderful results. The timeline of the implementation will not be short. After configuring the system, EHR implementation will take approximately 253 days to complete. There are 7 main tasks, which are located on the left, and the duration of the implementation is located next to them. Patient information will take about 43 days. Clinical information systems will take about 119 days. The laboratory will take about 35 days. Pharmacy will take 58 days. Radiology will take 35 days. Imaging will take about 11 days, and nutrition and food services will take about 11 days as well. The start and finish times of the implementation processes are stated in the middle of the chart. The predecessors describe what tasks must first come before the current task and are located on the right. For example, EHR implementation of the laboratory, radiology, and nutrition can all occur simultaneously. Patient information management has 0 predecessors and will require 41 days. Patient information management consists of 7 subtasks that are highlighted by the negative sign. These include admission, discharge, and transfer, training, patient registration, training for patient registration, enterprise master patient index, patient scheduling, and training for patient scheduling. All training sessions can only be completed after the linked tasks. For instance, training for admission, discharge, and transfer can only be completed after admission, discharge, and transfer. Admission, discharge, and transfer can only begin after patient registration is complete. Once this subtask has been completed, the following subtasks have predecessors of 2, and these will then commence. This chart represents the subtask, Clinical Information System. Clinical Information System cannot be implemented until 6 other tasks are completed and this will require 119 days. Therefore, it is the most time-consuming undertaking. It has 18 subtasks shown above, which can be pointed out by the negative sign next to its name. The duration of the implementation is located next to the task, while the predecessors are located to the right. The start and finish dates have been hidden in order to display all 18 subtasks with their durations and their predecessors. Laboratory can occur simultaneously with radiology and nutrition services. Laboratory cannot be implemented until patient information management is complete, and the duration will be 35 days. All of these subtasks have predecessors of 2, or patient information management. Laboratory has 6 subtasks, which are stated with a negative sign next to them. All subtasks have predecessors except for chemistry. Pharmacy is the next subtask with 8 subtasks highlighted with a negative side. The duration of pharmacy is 58 days. The task names are located on the left, along with the duration, start and finish times, and predecessors. Pharmacy cannot be implemented until laboratory data is complete. Radiology has 4 subtasks located on the left and highlighted with a negative sign. The duration will take 35 days. The duration, start and finish times, and predecessors are demonstrated. The implementation of radiology cannot occur until the implementation of patient information management has been completed. Only radiology training for general radiology and training for nuclear medicine have predecessors. Imaging has 4 subtasks located on the left and only requires 11 days for implementation. The EHR implementation of imaging cannot take place until radiology has been completed. All subtasks have predecessors except for Clinical Image Viewer. Nutrition and Food Services has 4 subtasks located on the left and only requires 11 days for implementation. Nutrition and Food Services cannot be implemented until Patient Information Management has been completed. All subtasks have predecessors except for Food Service Management. Project management merges various tools and techniques. Individuals can use the software to arrange, observe, analyze, measure, and implement new activities to help the organization develop and change for the future. It allows leaders to observe timelines necessary for change. The exact days are calculated, which encourages leadership and management to be organized and thorough in their calculations. Most significantly, project management encourages the planning of scheduled events to achieve project objectives.